Hey, what's up guys? Another beautiful blessed day. Arman Shahinian here. Another beautiful sunny day in Texas. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your flat tire under like 2 minutes. This is very easy, very quick. Anyone can do it. All you need to do, just practice. So the first step you gotta do is fill up your tire with air, and you can get air compressor anywhere between like, I don't know, like 20 bucks to like 300 bucks. There are ones you can plug in your car, or Milwaukee has this new air compressor that works with a lithium battery. They're like variety of different kind of air compressors. So let's air it up first. The hole is big, you can hear it, but sometimes when it's small, it's harder. So the second step is to have water and soap, and make sure you have this kit. This kit is like a first aid kit for your tire. So right now I can't hear anything. I got water and soap, nothing complicated. Now all we gotta do, it's easier. See? You see this bubble, right? See? It's getting bigger. Let's try it again. See? One more time. See, this is where the air is coming from. So I guess I was lucky. I was able to recognize it like quick. So now I need to focus even more. Okay, right there. This is interesting. You might not know about this, but we need to make the hole even bigger. I know you might be shocked, but yeah, we need to do that in order to be able to make these fillings go inside it. Nothing complicated. So now, since this is a little fancier, they come with a loop. They either come with like a spray loop or this kind of like a harder loop. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna insert this in. This is gonna be so helpful. Just be careful, don't hurt yourself. You're gonna do this multiple times. You're gonna puncture it even bigger. You see that? Just like that. Don't be scared, nothing's gonna blow, nothing bad gonna happen. So next step, we're gonna have these fillers. That's what I call it. I don't know the exact name. I call them fillers because it's filling up those gaps or holes. Take it out. It's nothing scary. You're not gonna get disease. You're not gonna get sick. Shh. I hope Max gonna stay quiet. Then this is another tool. They all carrying this tool. It's gonna go in between this. Yeah. Look, practice gonna make it perfect. Don't worry, don't stress out. This is very easy. This is made so everyone can do this easily. My wife learned it. She's pretty expert of it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go kind of like in like 50-50. Should be in the middle. Bring it down a little bit, like close to this part. See, this part is like opening up. Okay, again, just for make it easier for us, we're gonna lube it again. We're gonna make it easier for us. We're gonna take this out. Gonna fill it up with this.
Pull this up.
There you go. See? Kind of easy peasy lemon squeezy. I guess. See? Just like that. You pull it out, and those extra rubber or fillers, you can cut it or you can just leave it. It's all up to you. Cut it for makes it look better. That's it. You're ready to go. You can use this for motorcycle, for your car, your truck, anything pretty much. Unless it's one of those like giant tractor tires that they do other ways. But this is for pretty much like roadside assistant. Now, for prove you that it is worked, we're gonna fill up the tire again. See, this was the part that we fixed. Just we're gonna double check. Nothing. No air bubble whatsoever. So you're ready to go. See, that was really easy. Anyone can do it. If you have any flat tire around your house, do more practice and you're just gonna get perfect. Like this whole thing didn't even take a minute. instead of taking your car to a tire shop or anything, unless it's like, I don't know, slashed, this is an easy thing. Make sure you have your kit. Make sure you have anything. I mean, this is a little fancier. You can have a bottle of water or anything. Just a little soap. You can get it from anywhere. Soap, whatever. Just put a little bit on the whole tire until you fix that little bubbling. And this thing, air compressor, it's not that expensive. It's not getting that much of a spot. You can have it in your trunk, anywhere. Easy peasy, and you're saving so much money and so much time. Instead of just staying in a lane for your tire to get fixed, they're gonna charge you probably around like $30 to $50, it depends. This was an easy thing, easy fix.